What's good, YouTube? It's your boy,
Tiberius.
back with another video for you guys, man. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Shout out to everybody who got us to 200 subscribers. I'm so thankful for that, and I'm very appreciative of all of you for supporting my channel and, you know, the Tiberius way in general. And just shout out to everybody who enjoyed the Amazon video. I find it so funny that at that exact moment that I was working at Amazon, and you know, me trying to push for this new journey to, you know, venture off onto entrepreneurship and trying to do YouTube as my passion, as something I really want to do as a career line. You know, something in my soul called me to just make that video, and it's something told me that, you know, it would have, you know, just as much traction as it had, because, you know, I was speaking from a real sense, but at the same time, you know, it was just the universe telling me, yo, you got to drop something, man. So, for all my new subscribers and my past subscribers, I have to show appreciation to you by at least giving you a video and let you guys know what's going on with me. If you can see in the background, there's a little kitchen, there's a couple boxes in the back. Your boy got a new apartment, finally moved, and y'all know that I moved to, everybody who's been watching my channel who really take time to watch the videos that I've made on my channel understands that I moved to Texas, Austin, Texas 2 years ago, and in pursuit of trying to create a home for my son, and and if you can go back and watch the video moving to Austin, Texas in 2020, where I left New York, where I was struggling and basically, you know, going through trial and error just to get myself in a position to, you know, give my son a stable home. And you know, I've finally been blessed and put myself in position to actually have made that actually happen. And on one note, I want to send a prayer to my son's mother, her family, and especially, you know, everybody who knew her, because unfortunately, a few weeks ago, she had passed away. 2 weeks ago, she passed away on the 14th. And she was in the video moving to Austin, Texas, and she was the mother of my child. We got a new apartment, and you know, I'm gonna show you guys, you know, basically how it looks.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tiberius here, back with another video for y'all, man. Finally, man. Definitely had to drop a video for you guys, man. You know, speak on my experience, speak on what I've been up to lately. Well, today I just moved into my new apartment recently. I just finally got a chance to show you guys. You know what I'm saying? Ain't really much in here. Just, you know, spoiler, ain't really much in here. Just still getting shit together. I'm just excited, man, because I put that do-rag on and I grind it, man. Put in that pain, so I definitely want to show y'all. I might cut the audio for like a portion of the video, only because my lady in there playing her music. And you know how women are when they want to play their music. But I just want to show y'all the apartment, what we up to, what we doing. Got the little baby, man. And you know, just been chilling. Got my son too, so show y'all what's up.
I'll do a new apartment tour. I mean, well, you know, furnished apartment tour later down the line when the apartment is fully furnished. But I definitely wanted to, you know, let you guys know that indefinitely, you know, no matter what you're going through, you have to hustle, you have to grind. My main motto is put your do-rag on and get to work and grind and hustle, because bills is still due, and you got to do what you got to do to keep the family fed no matter what. I have transitioned into my career as a dialysis technician. So like I said to you guys before, a new job, a new home, and I've been able to provide that for the child that I've been fighting for the last 2 years, that I have not been able to been with, and I missed out so much time. Everything I sacrificed was for this moment. And I'm just letting you guys know that if I didn't take the time out to sacrifice that, none of this would have ever been possible. So I'm thankful 100% to all of you and everything you guys have offered me. And I will be doing more videos on just being able to grind and get to your purpose. Like I said, you know, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This is the Tiberius Way. And we're gonna make this happen. I believe in you guys and your dreams as well, and that you can do it if you just follow your way. Peace out.
Tiberius.